A court-appointed guardian can force your family to sell assets that you never intended to be sold. I had a client who unfortunately died without a will, and he had a lot of assets. And one of the key assets was crypto. Because he had no will, under New York law, the assets were split more or less 50-50 between the spouse and the minor children. Because the children were minors, and because the court, for whatever reason, thought there was a conflict of interest between the minor children and mommy, the court stepped in and appointed a complete stranger as a guardian ad litem over the minor children. Not the parent, a stranger. The guardian, who had no idea about crypto, looked at the account balance and forced a sale because the guardian decided this was not the right fit for the children, even though the widow was completely against it. Whether the call was right or wrong, it was no longer her decision to make. And that was definitely not what my client would have wanted. This entire situation was not just a crypto problem. This is a very common problem when somebody dies with a lot of assets but no will. If instead you have a trust that you fund prior to your death, you can name the person that you trust, you can name the person that you want to make the decisions for your minor children. Not a random court-appointed guardian, but somebody that you trust. This one mistake is what got the family into the crosshairs of the court system for years to come. If you have assets that you don't want a stranger to manage one day, come and trust, and I'll help you set up an estate plan.